Now let's dive a bit deeper and show how we can interact directly with the backend APIs using Postman. This is especially useful for testing, debugging, and demonstrating how our RESTful services are structured. Here I will give 9 different examples of the 3 data collections. I have set the environment for this project, which is a base URL, localhost 5001 in this case. So the first one is get all products. Using a GET request to this URL, we can see a 200 OK status code and the raw JSON response containing all the data details directly from the products collection. The next one is post new review. After authenticating as a registered user by setting header with a valid JWT cookie, which I can get from the browser, for example. Here we can find the valid cookie. I can send a post request with a JSON payload, including my rating, comment, and product ID. The response will confirm that the review is added, and we can also see this comment in our web page, which is this MacBook Air product, and we can see that Lisa has successfully posted a comment. Next one is update product. As an admin, I can send a put request with updated fields such as a price. Let's set this iPhone product to $599, for example. And the response will show the updated product data. Here the price has changed to $599. We can also see this change in our website. Here the iPhone product has changed to $599, also in the detail page. Next one is get all orders. Sending a GET request as an admin will return a list of all the orders, which showcase the orders placed by all users in this system. Next one is create order. As a registered user, I can post a request with details like the item quantity and shipping address. So I will change this order to 10 items, for example, and the address. The response will give me the newly created order's ID and status. And the quantity has changed to 10. The address has changed also. And we can also see this in new order in the website. This is a newly created order. The quantity is 10. And the address is BBB in this case. Next one is update order to delivered. Once the order is delivered, I can send a put request as an admin. The response will reflect that the order's status is now delivered. I can change this to true. and the response is delivered is set to true. The next one is get all users. By sending a GET request as an admin, I can retrieve a list of all registered users and their details. You can also see the Lisa is here. Next one is authenticate user. I can post with an email and password. The response will tell me if the user is an admin. If I test admin, the response is true. And if I change to Lisa, the response is true too. And if I change to John, the response is false. And we can also see this in our website. Lisa is admin, and admin user is admin, but John is not the admin. The last one is update user. If I need to update my user profile, say if I will set this user to admin, I can send a put with new data. Here I will set Lisa to true. The response will show my updated user data. And also in website, we can see Lisa is admin. And we can also test false. The response is now set to false. And in the website, the Lisa is not an admin anymore. So with all these Postman demos, you can see the full transparency of the requests and response. You can also confirm that our API endpoints are working correctly, sending appropriate status code and returning the expected data. So that concludes our demonstration of RUShop. We have covered the environment setup, walked through the application from multiple user perspectives, highlighted data processing in the backend, and finally show how to interact directly with our API using Postman. So that's all for my demo. Thank you for watching.